What is greenhouse effect? The short answer is, greenhouse effect is a process that occurs when gases in Earth's atmosphere trap the sun's heat. This process makes Earth much more warmer than it would be without an atmosphere. The greenhouse effect is one of the things that makes Earth a comfortable place to live.
So how does greenhouse effect work? As you might expect from the name, the greenhouse effect works like a greenhouse. A greenhouse is a building with glass walls and glass roof. Greenhouses are used to grow plants such as tomatoes, tropical flowers. A greenhouse stays warm inside, even during the winter. In the daytime, sunlight shines into the greenhouse and warms the plants and air inside. At nighttime, it's colder outside, but the greenhouse stays pretty warm inside. That's because the glass walls of the greenhouse trap the sun's heat.
The greenhouse effect works much the same way on Earth. Gases in the atmosphere, such as carbon dioxide, trap heat just like the glass roof of a greenhouse. These heat-trapping gases are called greenhouse gases. During the day, the sun shines through the atmosphere. Earth's surface warms up in the sunlight. At night, Earth's surface cools, releasing heat back to the air, but some of the heat is trapped by the greenhouse gases in the atmosphere. That's what keeps our Earth warm and cozy, 14 degrees Celsius on average. What are greenhouse gases? Greenhouse gases are gases in Earth's atmosphere that trap heat. They let sunlight pass through the atmosphere, but they prevent the heat that sunlight brings from leaving the atmosphere. The main greenhouse gases are water vapor, carbon dioxide, methane, ozone, nitrous oxide, chlorofluorocarbons. Greenhouse gases let sunlight pass through the atmosphere and preventing from the heat leaving the atmosphere. Overall, greenhouse gases are a good thing. Without them, our planet would be too cold, and life as we know it would be not exist. But there can be too much of a good thing. Scientists are worried that human activities are adding too much of these gases to the atmosphere. So, what are these gases all about?
Water vapor. This is water in gas form, like steam above a boiling pot. It forms clouds and rains back on Earth. This can cause a cooling effect. Carbon dioxide, made up of carbon and oxygen. Carbon dioxide is all around us naturally. It comes from decaying and living organisms and from volcanoes. But too much carbon dioxide may be a bad thing. Like we just said, if there were no greenhouse gases, the Earth will become an ice ball. The average temperature of the Earth has increased 2 degrees. Back to 19th centuries, the Earth was not that warm. As the picture shows, since 2002, the carbon dioxide in our atmosphere has increased a lot. In the picture, since 2002, our Earth is warmer and warmer, so we can feel that in the summer, the days are too hot. This is a picture of the U.S. carbon dioxide emission. Transportation contributes the most part of the portion. There's definitely something we can do about this situation to make the world a better place, so we can ride more bicycle and take a bus to go to work and go to school. And if the distance is short, we can do more walking. So now let's begin to take action. Thank you for your watching.